Okay, so today what we got turned up was a buffing wheel with 3 stitches through it. A buffing wheel that's spiral stitched, and a buffing wheel that's got 4 stitches through it. All for different things. One's for putting the polish on, 2 are for taking the polish off, polish on, polish off. They turned up lovely. I think that was about £10 for all of them, so pleased with them. They can go on another grinder. I ain't got enough. This turned up today, a saw blade, yes, and a eclipse handle, because you know I've got enough eclipses lately. Another number 12, and a saw handle. So obviously the blade goes on there. Stick this on fast forward, can't we? I'm reasonably sure that I'm up to date now on me tool haul prices, just the prices. If I've missed any, let me know. Okay, that's a long one, isn't it, for there? Nice to get a blade, different blades. The amount of different blades for these is incredible. Get that for a proper pad saw blade. Oh dear. Got it on there good? Hell of a long thing. Right. Get that over the back. Another one of those. This goes in, this is for cutting angles. Again, this is an eclipse. Put this together, otherwise I end up losing all the bits. Very simple, square bit through the square bit. Then when you want to adjust it, you just undo it a little bit. Yeah, that will spin around in there, lovely. That's about right. Then you can cut with it. Now, that's a nice, this will shine up nice. This will get shined at the site soon. Let me read that. For the best results on sheet material, using Eclipse number 55 or 56 sheet saw. Yeah. And what have I got here? This is a very similar thing made by Sandvik. Again, you just have probably easier actually to turn this one and alter this one. But that's a Sandvik. I think it was around the 70s, maybe it was the 60s, possibly earlier, when they decided everyone needed these adjustable saws. I mean, I find it's just as easy to just move your hand, isn't it? It's, you know. Right, so that's that. It come through today. We got that. And what else do we have? Oh yeah. This is very similar to a Barco. It's made about 15 miles away over the Norwegian border. I think they're made in Norway, not in Sweden. A little bit chewed up at the ends, can you see that? That chewed up there. Chewed up there. A bit rusty as well. This isn't a 4-inch, this is a 5-inch. That's why I bought it, very unusual size. Right, don't know what's in this one. Let's have a look, shall we? I did notice the other day, just for general information, anybody that's in the Commonwealth and they have a Screwfix shop near them, you can get a new Screwfix, a new Stanley 199 with the fixed out blade. You get a Stanley, I believe it's a 99E with a retractable blade, and a pack of blades for £4.99. Not a bad buy. No good for me because I don't like new tools. That's in Screwfix. £5 for 2 Stanley knives and a pack of Stanley blades. Can't really go wrong, can you, for that price? What have we got in here? Oh, look at this. Do you know what? When I see this, it didn't look that big in this advert. Ben had one of these the other day. And, Ben's only very big. And I thought, that's nice. I like that. I'll get one of them. So I see a picture of this and I thought, that's one like Ben's. I'll get that. And I thought, you cheeky buggers, on the postage. I think the postage on this was £8, and I thought that's a bit cheeky, £8 postage. Little tool like that. But geez, what does that weigh? That must weigh £5 or £6. I'll give it a weigh. That weighs 3 kilograms, which is £6.5. That weighs £6.5. But what a splinter! And it, oh my god, and it's not seized either. How amazing is that? Whew. Well, that's one for the shelf, I can tell you. God dear, that's a keeper deeper. Don't get a polish. So, if you have a guess at that price, don't guess the postage because I just told you. Have a guess on that, please. Have a guess on this tiny little. It's a Kongsbery 5-inch, number 41. Have a guess on that, please. And have a guess on the Eclipse set, saw, blade, and the handle. That, I believe, is it for purchases. Now we'll move on to, God, do like that. We'll move on to a restoration I've done. You may remember this from the other day. So the other day I bought these 9 pair pliers and tongs, cutters, hardwire cutters, pincers, nailers, all with surface rust or a little bit deeper rust on them. All those pliers and cutters that went in the deoxy, and I wiped them down, which I'm doing here, and stuck them through the wheel. They did come up very clean just out of the deoxy. Bear with me, the wire wheeling really won't take long. I'm just going to run this one through on fast forward and we'll stick this on the bench. And start a nice little lineup. Here comes the next one. And back to the wire wheel quickly because this one's quite interesting. It's a pair of CK hard wire cutters. And look how quick it cleans up. Put this on hyper fast forward. You can watch the shine appear before your eyes quicker than if I was to spray them silver. Nearly done now. The table. Join the queue. I think that's enough wire wheeling for now. We'll just add these one at a time to the table. It was a real pleasure doing these. They come up nice and easy. A very shiny finish. And once again, this is what they were like before. And now to discover what names we've found from cleaning them up. We've got Elliot Lucas, and Elliot Lucas. So that's quite a nice little haul. Three Elliot Lucases. These ones are Elliot Lucas they're electroalloy, ultra tensile. So we'll try it on a small piece first. Easy. Try it on a bigger piece. Easy-ish. Like the push, felt the push. Try it on a bit of multi-strand 4mm English earth wire. Oh, easy as well. Alright then, that was quite nice. Now we've got the Bernards. These are not too happy with anything because look, the jaws don't quite close. So that's, I can tell you now, I know that's not going to cut. Look, nothing. They're what you call a display model. Now, and these are top heavy. These are proper CK hardwire cutters. I'll try it on the little 4mm bit, on the little fence bit. That was alright. Try it on the bigger bit. Oh. And then when we start going up a size, when we get the big old stranded 4mm, straight through, not a problem. So I think they work as they should. So we've got those CKs, those Bernards. These are PL Schmidt's 8-inch extras. They come up quite clean. Oh, look at the jaws on them. I mean, these are not wire cutters. They're nail pullers, but I mean, they are what they are. These are from J&T Jolly & Co. And they've got a lovely split end on them. And the deburring end is even more fancy than normal. What do we normally get? We normally get like on these. So we normally get that little bit, whereas this has got that. And this bit here is normally just, ugh, that's quite well crafted. These were unnamed, but they come up so clean. They've got to be gas pliers. And again, you've got like a screwdriver end and a pointy end. So I think everything's going on eBay, with the exception of the hard wire cutters, because I like those, and the CK hard wire cutters. The rest will all go on eBay. I shall have to flick back to the video and see what I paid for this bundle. And with the exception of a couple of pairs of gas pliers that slipped in there by accident, it was £10 and £8 postage. Okay, please leave your guesses down in the comments on the guess the price. That's all for now. Have a good evening. Bye for now.